Today, we are testing another useful attachment for compact excavators, the MMS screening bucket. Before using any attachment, proper installation is the first step. Because of its larger size and weight, this screening bucket usually requires 2 people to move and install safely. Before connecting it to the quick coupler, make sure the mounting bolts are already installed correctly. This step is important because the pre-installed bolts make the connection process faster and easier when the attachment arrives. After positioning the bucket onto the quick coupler, we secure the locking mechanism and tighten the movable locking parts. A proper connection ensures the attachment stays firmly attached during operation and helps prevent unexpected movement while working. After installation, let's take a quick look at the main dimensions of this screening bucket. The working width is 800 millimeters, making it suitable for compact excavators while still providing enough capacity for material handling. The bucket structure is designed with screening gaps that allow smaller materials such as soil and sand to pass through, while keeping larger materials like rocks, stones, and debris separated. This design makes it useful for land cleaning, landscaping, material separation, and property maintenance projects. When choosing an attachment, checking the size and compatibility with your machine is always an important step. Now let us move to the operation test. Before starting, the operator puts on safety gloves and prepares the machine. One advantage of compact excavators is their flexibility. With the right attachment, one machine can handle different types of jobs without needing multiple pieces of equipment. After connecting the screening bucket, the machine is ready for real working conditions. Now let's see how the screening bucket performs in real conditions. The operator starts by digging into the material and lifting it with the bucket. Instead of simply moving the soil, the screening structure allows the material to be separated during operation. As the bucket moves and shakes, loose soil and smaller particles fall through the gaps, while larger rocks remain inside the bucket. This helps reduce unnecessary material handling and improves efficiency during cleanup and land preparation work. For landscaping projects, farms, and property maintenance, this type of attachment can save time by combining digging and material separation into one process. From the operator's perspective, we can see the complete working process more clearly. The bucket digs into the ground, lifts the material, and then moves from side to side. During this movement, the screening action separates the soil from larger stones. After several cycles, most of the loose soil has been removed, leaving mainly larger rocks inside the bucket. This is where a screening bucket shows its advantage compared with a standard digging bucket. It is not only moving material, it is helping classify and separate materials during operation. For the final test, we use the screening bucket for general digging and ground preparation. Although this attachment is designed mainly for screening and material separation, it can also be used for basic excavation and leveling work. The operator moves material, adjusts the bucket position, and prepares the working area. After digging, the machine uses the built-in dozer blade to push and level the surface. This combination shows the versatility of compact excavators. With one machine and different attachments, users can handle multiple tasks around properties, farms, landscaping projects, and small construction sites. A suitable attachment is not just about adding more functions, it is about making the machine more efficient for the jobs you actually need to complete. Thanks for watching this MS attachment test. For more equipment tests and attachment demonstrations, subscribe and follow MS Compact Equipment.